A very good evening to all of you. In the last class, we have completed the concept of society. How many of you have tried to provide some input with respect to the society? No, sir, we have not tried to go through with the website of society. No problem. In the today's class, we will understand the concept with respect to share pledge agreement. Very most important for everyone if you want to join a corporate as the in-house counsel. Whenever you join a corporate as the in-house counsel, every day you have to maintain the records with respect to the share pledge agreement. That is why this concept is most important. And let me show you one thing first of all. Last 2 days back, I interviewed two candidates. They have mentioned in their resume that sir, we know all the concepts with respect to drafting. I said okay. They have mentioned that sir, we have also drafted share purchase or share pledge agreement. I said no problem. So I just asked some questions with respect to the share agreement. I request the students to kindly mute themselves. Just a second. Yes. So in the interview, I asked some questions to the candidates with respect to the share pledge agreement. And you won't believe they failed to answer within this stipulated time. Although they have mentioned in their resume that they have drafted the share pledge agreement, share purchase agreement, etc. and etc. But they failed to answer within this stipulated time. What could be the reason? The reason is very simple. They just may have gone through with the templates, and that's not the right idea for everyone. In the today's class, we will understand the basic concept with respect to the share pledge agreement. Thereafter, we will also draft the same in the today's class. Let me share a screen with everyone first of all. Sir, the first question I am asking, why this is share pledge agreement, why this is not share mortgage agreement? I also asked this question to some students when I took the interview. Yes, anyone would like to answer why there is no concept of share mortgage agreement and there is a concept of share pledge agreement? Any one of you want to try the concept? Yes, beta. Yes, Sagar.
Sir, mortgage are only based on immovable properties, and shares are not included in immovable properties.
Okay, so you are saying, sir, shares are movable property, right?
Yes, sir.
Where it is written? Yes.
Not able, sir. I'm not able to recall. But while I was studying about tax, somewhere in that I have studied.
Okay. Yes. Anyone would like to answer why there is no concept of share mortgage agreement and there is a concept of share pledge agreement? Muskan, you want to say something?
So because like Sagar said, um, share is transferable.
Arey, immovable property is also transferable, is it no?
Yeah. But they're like movable, of course. I don't know.
Where it is written? Yes.
Immovable property में transfer of property act में also immovable property की definition is there, and as per the definition of mortgage, it is for immovable property.
Right.
So from there we can interpret that.
Okay, so you are saying, sir, immovable property में नहीं आता, so movable में तो आता होगा. Yes or no? That's you wanna say? Yes, Lydia, you wanna say something?
Yes, sir. Pledge usually the goods are kept with the person who's going to lend them, and mortgage is usually kept by the person who's who's getting, who's receiving. They retain the property or like whatever they're retaining it.
Okay, but that's not the right answer. I do understand that shares are movable property, but the question, simple question was where it is written that the shares are movable property. The answer is Sales of Goods Act. Goods mean every kinds of movable property other than actionable claim and money, including what? Stock and shares. Remember or not? Anyone? हाँ जी, किसी को याद है? नहीं है? नहीं याद? No one. Yes, Muskan, Shashank, Sudhanshu. Archana is saying, yes, sir, I remember. Goods mean every kinds of movable property other than actionable claim and money, including stock and shares, growing crop, I guess timber, which can be severed from the earth. That's the definition of goods under the Sales of Goods Act.
Yes,
Remember,
sir.
that's the point. So the interview, or you can say, I just wanted to know that this definition is written where, and the answer is Sales of Goods Act. I remember. You may just check the year. All right. So that is why shares are movable property. So in the case of movable property, we pledge the property, we do not mortgage. That's why there is not the concept of share mortgage agreement. I asked the same interview, and you won't believe the candidate also said, yes, sir, we have also drafted share mortgage agreement. मैंने उसको कंफ्यूज कर करके पूछा उससे whether you have also drafted the share mortgage agreement. He said yes.
Oh.
तो ये लेवल है जो कैंडिडेट आते हैं बेटा. That's the basic point you have to change. There is no concept of share mortgage agreement because mortgage is for immovable property and the shares are for the movable property. This pledge is for movable property and the shares are movable property as per the Sales of Goods Act. Understood. Now, most important point that I want to say, अब जब उसने ये लिखा था बेटा कि sir, yes, we have drafted the share pledge agreement. I just asked one thing. Let's say beta, my shares are in the demat form. Please try to understand the concept. My shares are in the demat form. He said, okay. I said, beta, I want to pledge this shares that I have held in the demat form. He said, okay. Then I asked, sir, in the case of pledge, you transfer the possession of the property. Yes or no, beta? In the case of pledge, we transfer the possession of the property. But for example, if my shares are in the demat form, how you will transfer the possession of the property? Yes, anyone would like to answer here again? कौन सा बच्चा बताएगा? Yes, Sagar. Yes, Archana. बताओ.
Sir, can we do something with the depositories?
What we can do in that case? Please go ahead. If you have drafted the share pledge agreement, you are expected to know everything with respect to the same. Yes or no, Sagar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, for example, if my shares are in the demat form, in case of the pledge, we transfer the possession of the shares. How this can be done in that case? Yes, Muskan.
Sir,
Any question? Yes, Pritika.
sir, is it possible that we can give our certificate which is issued to us?
Which, array, if the shares are in the demat form, there will be no certificate, Pritika. You got the point? The certificate will only be given if the shares are in the physical form.
Okay.
Yes, Pritika.
Sir, I think like I'm not very sure about pledge alone, but like in Zerodha app, I think there's an option where you can choose to pledge your shares and then you cannot sell them.
Okay. Right, Rupshika. So you have the practical experience somewhere, right?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, let me give you the example, the most important example, and you won't believe when I joined the company as the compliance officer, that was the share pledge agreement was the second thing I did in my life. And I was also blank at that time because all these things are new to me at that time too. Let me share this example. And this is the real example I am sharing with everyone now. By filing delivery instruction slip for pledge request. Okay, let me share the example. So this is the Vedanta Limited. The practical example I am stating to you. And this is Standard Chartered Bank. What happened? This company, Vedanta company, has taken a loan from the Standard Chartered Bank. Standard Chartered Bank से ये लोग loan ले रहे थे 500 crore का. I said, okay sir, ले लेते हैं. But in return of the same, Vedanta Limited की जो investment थी shares में, It means whatsoever the shares the Vedanta Limited holds, the company is pledging the shares in favor of Standard Chartered Bank. I said, okay, no problem at all. All these shares were in the डीमैट फॉर्म. जितने भी शेयर्स थे ना बेटा, वो सारे डीमैट फॉर्म में थे. डीमैट का मतलब बेटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म में थे. जो बच्चे न्यू ज्वाइन करे हैं, डीमैट मींस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड? ध्यान से समझना, बड़ा मजा आएगा अभी. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ जब भी शेयर्स डीमैट में होते हैं, व्हेनेवर द शेयर्स आर इन द डीमैट फॉर्म, दो लोग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. वन इज द डिपॉजिटरी and one is the depository participant. Depository participant. For example, beta, there are only two depositories in India: NSGL, CDSL. Okay. इनका काम क्या होता है बेटा? To convert the shares in the demat form. Understood, sir? Demat means beta electronic. Now, there is a person who acts as a mediator between the depository and the investor. These persons are known as depository participant. Very nice, Lidya. These persons are known as depository participants. For example, I don't know whether you have heard this name or not, but for example, beta Carvey. किसी बच्चे ने नाम सुना है कार्वी का? Maybe.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, ये सुने?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Wes. उसके बाद जूलियस, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है. कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को पैकेज देती है ये 2 लाख पर मंथ. फ्रेशर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी. This is a fact. Julius Beers. Okay. The third company you must have heard, JP Morgan.
Bank.
So ये है बेटा depositories participant. They act as a mediator. ये जो होते हैं जितने भी लोग हैं, Carvey, Julius Beers, as well as JP Morgan, they act as a mediator between the depository as well as the investor. अब ध्यान से समझना प्रोसेस को, बिकॉज ये प्रोसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सबसे पहले क्या होगा बेटा? दिस वेदांता कंपनी, दिस कंपनी विल अप्रोच द डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट, जो इसका डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आवर डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट वाज कार्वी. हमारा कार्वी था. ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव अप्रोच द कार्वी, and the Carvey was the depository participant of this Vedanta company. ध्यान से समझना. Also their scam. Also their scam. Archana is saying also their scam. Very nice. So we have approached the Carvey first of all, and वहां पर हमें एक form लेके जाना पड़ता है. We have to take one form at depository participant. कौन सा form है? Anyone would like to answer here? If you have some knowledge with respect to the same. No. Yes, Archana. Any idea, beta?
No, sir.
No? Beta, as a company secretary or as an in-house counsel, you will do day-to-day life. Let me tell you. Pledge request form. PRF. We will sign pledge request form. Sir, this is most important concept that I am sharing with you. Let me share the practical example of pledge request form in front of you. Here it is. Pledge request form number. मैं आपको बताऊं, मेरे साथ उस टाइम ट्रेनी भी गया था, and also we went to the Carvey office with the manager of the company, and he was also not aware of how to write this pledge request form. So let me tell you how to write this pledge request form, because in the interview, everyone will ask you the surrounding parts also if you write something in your resume. Let me share this. This is the pledger details. Who is the pledger? Muskan. कौन है बेटा pledger?
So,
Vedanta or
Vedanta.
Vedanta.
Vedanta? And who is the pledgee? Standard Chartered. Now ध्यान से समझ, इन दोनों कंपनी का बेटा डीपी होता है. डीपी मींस डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट. हर एक डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट की एक आईडी होती है, जो कौन देता है बेटा? NSDL और CDSC. You can just Google the depository participant ID, you will get the same. Understood? So you just have to write the depository ID here. फिर आपको यहाँ पर नेम लिखना है. Understood sir? Standard Chartered Bank. Pledger. Now you will write the pledgee details here. Again यहाँ पर मैं कार्वी की depository participant ID लिखूंगा. And I will also write the pledgee name, and the pledgee name is, again, understood, is a, who is the pledgee? No, this is not the Carvi, this is JP Morgan, and I will write the Standard Chartered Bank. All right. Thereafter, the details of the security, sir, this is the free security. Free securities means, sir, मैंने अभी तक उस पे कोई भी lock-in period create नहीं किया हुआ. I have not created any lock-in period as of now in my security. Now, ध्यान से समझना, ये most important details है. This is most important detail.
so can you please explain again what is free security?
Free security. For
Yeah.
example, Mustan, for example, जैसे आपने, you must have heard the term free reserve.
Yeah.
ऐसा reserve जिसको आप कहीं पे भी use कर सकते हो, right?
Okay, sir.
तो ऐसे shares जिसको मैं किसी को भी pledge कर सकता हूँ. Some shares I can pledge to anyone. I have no lock-in period in this security. मैं किसी ऐसी कोई foundation नहीं है that there is some lock-in period in this securities. I can sell this securities. I can lock in this securities. I can pledge this securities. So there is no foundation at all. That is the term as free securities, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I just have to write one here. And sir, what is ISIN number? Anyone know the full form of ISIN? Very nice, Archana. International Security Identification Number. जितनी भी securities होती है, जितने भी shares होते हैं ना बेटा, उसका एक number allot होता है. Every shares being allotted a number. That number is known as ISIN number. So you just have to write the ISIN number. Very nice, unique identification number. And कितनी shares आप pledge कर रहे हो? How many shares you are pledging? आपको यहाँ पर लिखना पड़ेगा. So what is this PSN? अब ध्यान से समझना. Most important concept. PSN number means pledge. Let me tell you this. Let me show you the steps first of all. See this. So first of all, Vedanta company will approach the Carvi, and with pledge request form, we have to approach the Carvi. Thereafter, beta, pledge sequence number. This is important. Pledge sequence number will be given by Carvi. Ab dhyan se samajhna, let me share again this. So what is this PSN? PSN means pledge. Yes, beta. Sequence number. That will be given by whom? DP itself. Depository participant. Pledge sequence number. और ये हमें नहीं fill करना होता. That will be filled by depository participant.
So what to fill in ISIN name?
ISIN name. Let me tell you this. Just a second, beta. उसके बाद देखो बेटा. When the pledge will expire, it means beta, for example, if you have taken a loan for 5 years, so after the expiry of 5 years, the pledge will expire. Yes or no? Yes. So you just have to write this tenure in the pledge expiry date. उसके बाद pledge की value कितनी है? Whatsoever the amount of the security, जो भी आप pledge कर रहे हो, that you have to mention the amount of the security. Okay. Date of pledging means, so when you are giving this pledge request form to the depository participant. Understood? Now, they will sign. So why the pledgee is not signing? Why the pledgee is not signing here? So first of all, beta, pledger will sign. Understood? Now, ध्यान से समझते रहना, बड़ा important concept है. अब क्या होगा बेटा? First of all, the Vedanta Limited approached the Karvi and हमने क्या fill किया? Pledge request form in that case. उसके बाद क्या होगा? Our depository participant will contact the depository participant of Standard Chartered. They will contact each other first of all. For example, the Karvi will deliver this pledge request form to Standard Chartered Bank depository participant, JP Morgan. Now, what will happen? Yes, Muskan, you wanna say something? No.
No, sir.
So Karvi will call the Standard Chartered Bank depository participant. उनको ये बोलेगा कि sir, we have received one pledge request form. We are giving the same to your depository participant. Depository participant Standard Chartered Bank को call करेगा कि sir, ऐसा ऐसा एक form आया है. Should we accept this form or should we decline this form? So Standard Chartered Bank will give the approval of this pledge request form. अगर वो accept करेगा तो क्या होगा? ध्यान से समझना. Your shares will be pledged. आपके shares pledge हो जाएंगे. But let me tell you one thing. जो shares होते हैं बेटा, वो आपके ही account में रहेंगे. For example, बेटा, there is a account that is named as beneficial owner account. Beneficial owner account. So for example, beta, I have 5,000 shares in my beneficial owner account. And if I am pledging these 5,000 shares in favor of Standard Chartered Bank, अब पता है क्या होगा बेटा? This shares will not be debited in my account. ये shares मेरे ही account में पड़े रहेंगे, but yes, lock-in will be created. I will not be able to transfer this shares. I will not be able. ये account में मेरे ही रहेंगे. One student said, and one, you can say one company secretary said, sir, this pledge shares will be transferred in the account of beneficial owner of Standard Chartered. I said, no, beta, that will not happen. He said, so, sir, this is a pledge. In the case of pledge, we transfer the possession. मैंने कहा, beta, these shares are in the demat form. And in the case the shares are in the demat form, एक beneficial owner account होता है with DP, depository participant. And in that case, account में आपके ही पड़े रहेंगे. These shares will be lie in your account only. But yes, lock-in period will be created. एक lock-in period create हो जाएगा. And this lock-in period is for the duration of the loan. Duration of the loan. Yes, beta. Now you may ask the question if you have. That's the basic process of how to create a pledge. Yes, anyone, if you have the doubts, you may ask.
So,
Yes.
so these shares will stay in the account of Vedanta till the
Very
lock-in period.
Correct. But yes, lock-in period will be created.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sakshi, you want to say something? Yes, any doubt to anyone? This
No,
is
sir.
most important concept,
Sir, so lock-in period is basically the pledge period.
the pledge period. Correct.
So we cannot use them for any other purpose.
अरे आप क्या स्कैम करना चाहोगे? एक ही शेयर पे दो बार लोन लोगे हैं?
No, sir, no, sir.
No, not possible, beta. Muhib is saying, if it is not in demat form, will it lead to transfer of pledge? If it is not in demat form, will it lead to transfer of pledge? What you are
Possession.
saying, Muhib?
Matlab, sir, if you have taken the loan and now the shares should be transferred, but in the demat form it won't be because the lock-in period sets in. If it is not in demat form, will the shares be transferred to the beneficiary or the Standard Chartered Bank in this case?
Okay, in that case, beta, you are saying, sir, if the shares are in the physical form, right?
Exactly, sir.
What will happen? How we will create a pledge in that case, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see, let me tell you this, beta. If the shares are in the physical form, it means, beta, the company has issued the share certificate to you. Yes or no? So
Of course.
this share certificate will be handed over to the investor in that case. The third person, the Standard Chartered Bank in that case. A pledge will be created thereafter.
So we need to draft some agreement then.
An agreement will be drafted. That's the point. In the case of the demat also, agreement will be drafted, share pledge agreement. उसी
Okay.
agreement के through ही आप share pledge कर रहे हो. You got the point.
Okay, sir.
So let me tell you one thing. At that time, the share pledge agreement was drafted by Sam. How many of you have heard the term Sam? Law firm, beta, law firm. A big law.
Sardul, yes, sir.
Yes,
Sardul
Sardul.
Amarchana Mangaldas.
Correct. So at that time, the share pledge agreement was drafted by Sam T. So you understand the point. Whether the shares are in the demat form, whether the shares are in the physical form, share pledge agreement will be drafted. Got the point, Muskan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt to anyone now?
So,
Yes, Muskan.
yes, sir. After they accept the this form,
Hmm.
then we're
Share
gonna
pledge form,
draft.
beta. Uh,
Then we're gonna draft the this
no,
agreement.
before that, beta. Before that.
Okay, sir.
Before that, we will. I will also share this. But before executing the pledge form, we will draft the share pledge agreement first of all. And in this share pledge agreement, we will write, कि sir, जो Vedanta होगी, he will execute the, for example, he will have licensing with the depository participant. A depository participant will have a word with the depository participant of the Standard Chartered Bank. One form that is known as pledge request form will be given by the Vedanta Limited to the depository participant. All these will be written in the share pledge agreement.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Vijay, you were saying something?
Yes, sir. My question is, if depository participants are similar for both the companies, the Standard Chartered and Vedanta, in that case, is there any change in the procedure that we have to follow?
Procedure will be same. Every procedure will be same, beta. We have to write the pledge request form also in that case. But the thing is that, beta, अब वो दूसरे depository participant से contact नहीं करेगा. He will just contact the company. You can say the pledgee. Understood? The
Understood.
depository participant will directly contact the company in that case, the Standard Chartered Bank. Yes, Vijay. Okay.
Yes, understood, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubt to anyone now? Archana is saying, so even after agreement is executed, the DP will ask Standard Chartered consent. See, Archana, this is important. This agreement, we will not deposit with depository participant. ये agreement हम depository participant को नहीं दिखाते.
Okay.
We just fill the pledge request form before the depository participant. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
And then this agreement is between the parties.
Correct. Between the parties, the Standard Chartered and the Vedanta. You got the point, Muskan?
Yes, sir.
यही तो question था. And you won't believe two company secretary student, no, not the student, members were failed to answer. एक ने तो ये बोल दिया, sir, I have drafted the share mortgage agreement too. So that's the difference. Confuse करना हो किसी को तो कहीं काफी सारे एंगलों से confuse किया जा सकता है. वो पोस्ट थी चीफ मैनेजर की. So this cannot be possible for that, right?
Yes.
Acha, let me see this. The chat box. Pratika is saying, please explain the difference in working of depository and DP. Beta, see, depository is NSDL or CDSL. But हम directly बेटा देखो ध्यान से समझो. जैसे कि आप बेटा प्रिंसिपल को डायरेक्टली अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते. You cannot approach the principal. You have to approach the vice principal somewhere. Same like this बेटा. We cannot approach directly to the NSDL or CDSL. उनके बीच में broker होते हैं, you can say. And these persons are known as depository participants, बेटा. ये pledge का काम करते हैं, कार भी हो गया, etc. हो गया. बड़ी-बड़ी companies भी है. There is one company that is known as Julius. इनका office just Connaught Place में ही है. You won't believe they give 2 lakh rupees salary to the company secretary, fresher company secretary. अगर आपके पास है तो कुछ है तो you have to show something to them. Okay, so there are various companies, but आपको आना चाहिए. Now when I ask this, the candidate mentioned कि sir I have drafted the share pledge agreement, but please give me the answer. How many of you have knew the concept कि sir ऐसे pledge create होता है? Anyone? किसी को पता था अच्छे से? मुस्कान बेटा पता था?
No, sir.
No.
No.
That's the thing we have to change.
No, sir.
Pritika, आज आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा प्रीतिका आपकी. Okay. Piali, no sir.
No, sir.
So that's the thing. The interviewer will ask. आपसे interviewer यही सारे questions पूछता है interview में. अब ध्यान से समझो. It is not possible to draft the agreement in the interview itself. They will not ask you to draft the agreement in the interview itself. They will ask you the connected questions. जितने भी connected questions होंगे ना, they will ask you that. That will be a problem अगर आप झूठ लिखोगे तो interview में. कि सर मुझे ये आता है, ये आता है, ये आता है, ये आता है. Everyone will see templates. आजकल तो बिक भी रहे हैं templates. Never ever see this templates. Never in your life. आप practice करो, examples सीखो, अपने आप सब ठीक हो जाएगी. Now, if you have the doubt, beta, any doubt with respect to any term, you may ask. Any doubt, beta, after Rupshika, you are saying something.
So
I
what
guess.
is to be written in ISIN name in the
Yes,
form
beta.
like you
I
said?
am just going to that only. But before that, any other doubt to anyone? Rupshika, you have?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, after Adarsh, Aditya, no doubt. Okay, let me share the share pledge agreement also with you. Just a second. Beta. Now you will able to understand the share pledge agreement too. पहले तो समझ में ही नहीं आता टेम्पलेट्स के पीछे भागोगे तो, but you will now understand this. Just a second. Yes. See this, beta. Just a second. So what is this? What is this? The pledger shall comply with all such rule regulations as may be prescribed in the form and manner from time to time and shall make necessary application. किसको देगा बेटा? To depository
Participant.
Participant.
अब पढ़ लो बेटा टेम्पलेट. समझ में आएगा क्या? नहीं आएगा. अब आ जाएगा. बट बताओ which application we have to mention to depository participant?
PRF, pledge
PRF.
request form.
Pledge request form.
Correct. Pledge request form, PRF. And one number will be given by depository participant. Which number that we called? Pledge?
PSN.
Yes.
PSN.
PSN.
PSN number.
Pledge sequence number.
Pledge sequence number. That is important. Okay. Now again, let me tell you all these things. Just a second. Yes. Yeah, okay, okay. This is understood now. This is again understood. See, now again, see this. The pledger hereby agrees that the bank need to disburse the loan amount. कब disburse करेगा? जब depository participant confirmation दे देगा कि बेटा pledge has been created. I hope this point is clear to you. बेटा पहले हम pledge देंगे तभी तो वो loan disburse करेगा. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now see this again. Okay. Now. Regulation 58, that is the only thing. ये भी चीज हो गई. That is again okay. So now see this. In this pledge agreement, you will everywhere see the role of depository participants. और यही चीज थी कि टेम्पलेट से ये सारी चीजें समझ में बेटा कभी नहीं आएगी. This is just copy paste. You just have to copy paste all these terms. ये just आपको एक बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Thereafter, your pledge will be created. यही just एक छोटा सा concept होता है how to create a pledge in the case of DMAT or in the case of physical form. But before that, let me share one more thing with everyone.
Sure.
Whenever you create a pledge, जब भी आप pledge create करोगे in the favor of, let's say बेटा Standard Chartered Bank. One doubt, sir, Ankita is saying, do we have to file charge on MC also for pledge creation, both in DMAT as well as physical? Very nice, beta Ankita. I am just going through that only. So for example, beta, whenever you create a charge in the form of, let's say, Standard Chartered Bank, just for an example. So we have to file CHG form. So what is this CHG? This is the known as charge creation form. जब भी आप कोई भी pledge create करोगे, we have to file CHG1 or CHG9 form, as the case may be. So where we have to file this? So we have to file this to Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Ministry of Corporate Affairs को हमें बताना पड़ता है कि sir, we have created a charge on the assets of the company. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Whenever we create a charge, we have to inform the Ministry of Corporate Affairs about this. एक और बात मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Whenever a charge is created by promoters of one company, and I can say the listed company. Let me tell you one thing, just a second. For example, beta, this is Mukesh Ambani, okay, and this is Reliance, beta. So Mukesh Ambani ji के पास Reliance के shares है, beta, let's say 1000 shares. And Mukesh Ambani ji is also a promoter of Reliance. Whenever a pledge is created by Mukesh Ambani on this 1000 shares, जब भी मुकेश अंबानी जी अपने 1000 shares पे pledge create करेंगे, then according to SEBI 66 regulation, किसी को पता है ये? Yes बेटा, अर्चना,
अब से कभी भी याद रख.
yes बेटा,
भी हो रहा है.
Share acquisition and takeover, I think. Like this.
पूरी
correct,
चीज
take
खत्म
over
हो
code
गई
in the
end to
in
end.
the sorry बेटा,
जब बोला कर घर
रिव्यू लेने के लिए तो बताना ही
yes
था।
अंकिता, अच्छा, you
घर
were just
पे.
having words. Very nice, Aditi. Takeover code. In the simple language, this is known as takeover code, and in the full form language, this is known as substantial acquisition of shares and the takeover regulation. Okay, so as per this regulation, whenever promoter creates pledge on the shares, whenever promoter creates a pledge on the shares, then every promoter has to inform within 7 days to one is company and the stock exchange. I hope this point is clear to everyone. So this is the corresponding, or you can say every related concept with respect to the share pledge agreement. Charge form will be created and that will be filed before the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The first thing. The second thing is that if the promoters of the listed company pledge the shares that they held, then in that case they have to inform to the stock exchange as well as to the company within the period of 7 days. I forgot the regulation. I guess this is regulation 30. Correct me if I am wrong. Is it so? Regulation 30, yes or no, beta? Archana?
Yes,
No
I
idea.
think
Sir.
so.
Is it 30?
2030 के आसपास ही था, as far as I also remember.
Yes, regulation 30. I am sure. So as per regulation 30, we have to inform. Every promoter has to inform. Okay. So that's the aggregate, or you can say the corresponding or the connected terms with respect to the share pledge agreement. Now I will share the draft, or you can say the template of the share pledge agreement with everyone. You will able to understand every term with respect to the share pledge agreement in the template itself. But before going into the detail again, I am again sharing a share pledge agreement. Not the share pledge agreement, pledge request form. Just a second. Just a second, beta. हाँ कर दो उसको. This is okay. This is done. Yes, see this. I am sharing a pledge request form with everyone. अब I guess इसमें कुछ बचा नहीं होगा सीखने के लिए, except one only. So what to write in this ISIN name? Yes, कोई बता पाएगा बेटा? What to write in this ISIN name? Yes, anyone know this? Yes or no?
So the code of the share that the company holds.
The
Code of the shares that the company holds.
वो तो बेटा यहाँ लिखना है. ISIN number we have to write here. Number. कि for example equity का मेरे पास है, for example ISIN था मेरे पास INE 0059 like this. इस तरीके से होते हैं. So I just have to write this number here. But what to write in this case? That was the doubt of Rupshika, I guess, right? Yes, Archana, do you know anything? What we have to write here?
So the name of the shares that the company.
मतलब you are saying sir equity share preference shares?
नहीं मतलब जो भी कंपनी का मतलब जो भी शेयर होल्ड कर रहा है कंपनी.
I think
Yes,
I
Muskan?
think the kind of shares.
The kind of shares.
Sir, I think it is the name of the institution which has allotted ISIN number.
Very nice, Pritika.
Thank you.
देर आए but दुरुस्त आए हैं.
I was analyzing what could be the answer.
Okay, so proud of you. Very nice, Pritika. We just have to write through which institute this ISIN number was given to us. कई केसेस में ये ब्लैंक भी छोड़ सकते हो आप. ये चेक नहीं करता डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट कि थ्रू विच इंस्टीट्यूट दिस ISIN नंबर हैज बीन गिवन टू यू. आपको क्या लिखना होता है करेक्ट, ये मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. कुछ लोग तो बेटा DPID ही गलत लिख देते हैं. So you just have to check this DPID. The Karvi will check this first of all. Thereafter the Karvi will check कि सर कितनी क्वांटिटी में आप शेयर्स को प्लेज कर रहे हो. दिस विल बी चेक्ड बाय द कार्वी. देयरआफ्टर आपको पता है कार्वी एक और चीज क्या चेक करता है कि ये जो प्लेज रिक्वेस्ट फॉर्म है इस पे कौन कौन से ऑथोराइज सिग्नेटरी ने साइन किया है. ये तो उस टाइम हमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम आई थी. व्हाट वाज हैपन इन दैट केस बेटा, एट दैट टाइम वी वाज हैविंग अ डायरेक्टर, और जो डायरेक्टर यूएसए में था उस टाइम पे, एंड इन द बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन इट वाज मेंशन्ड that the every director consent is required. Yes, Muskan?
Sorry, sir.
It was mentioned, beta, that every director shall sign the pledge request form. अब जब उसने board resolution check किया depository ने, he was not ready to pledge the shares. उसने कहा सर एक डायरेक्टर के साइन यहाँ पर नहीं है. So you just have to check also कि सर इस पे कंपनी की सील है. कंपनी की सील मतलब बेटा कॉमन सील जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Whether the common seal has been affixed in this demat request form or the pledge request form, side by side ये जो sign कर रहे हैं बेटा, whosoever are signing, whether they are properly authorized by the board resolution, yes or no. यही तीन चीजें check करता है बेटा depository. Only these things are being checked by the depository. Thereafter last में बेटा ये क्या लिख देगा? Accept हो गया yes, otherwise यहाँ पर लिख देगा no. That's the only concept of share pledge agreement. Yes, Rupshika, any doubt now? No.
Sir, I wanted to ask something.
Yes, bolo Sagu.
Sir, in place of the director who is in USA, an alternate director can also sign, right?
But there was no alternate director at that time. We have to appoint the alternate director. Beta.
Yes, sir. I was asking if also there was an alternate director, then he should have signed it, and that would
yes,
have been
correct.
appropriate. Yeah.
The position of alternate director will be same as of the original director in that case.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Any doubt to anyone? Rupshika, you were saying something, I guess.
Sir, once the pledger's DP takes consent from the pledgee, so after that, when does pledgee's DP come into picture?
When does the pledgee DP comes into the picture? For example, beta, the Karvi will have word with the DP of Standard Chartered. कि sir, मैं आपको एक form भेज रहा हूँ, okay? Please have word with your client. आप अपने क्लाइंट से बात करो, स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड से बैंक से बात करो कि सर इसको एक्सेप्ट करना है और वी हैव टू रिजेक्ट दैट. You got the
Okay.
point? So
Okay.
Carvey will contact the JP Morgans.
Okay.
JP Morgan will contact the Standard Chartered Bank. कि सर एक ऐसा
Okay.
फॉर्म आया है, do we have to accept or reject the same?
Okay. And when does this agreement stand executed? After all this process is completed, or when it is
This
signed?
share pledge agreement, beta.
हाँ.
Before having everything, for example, before executing the pledge request form also. सबसे पहला
So-
the first step would be share pledge agreement.
So once both the parties sign, तो वही execution date हो जाएगा.
Date of the execution.
हाँ.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we don't have to wait for the entire process to get over.
But the pledge will be effective from that date. जब से lock-in period create होगा. Understood?
That is when all the consent and all is taken and the lock-in is created. Okay. Okay.
Lock-in is created. Correct.
Okay. Understood.
Understood? Any other doubt, Archana?
No, sir.
Very nice. Yes, Muskan?
No, sir. Clear.
No. Yes, Rajvi, you were saying something, I guess. No. Any doubt to anyone now?
So after like the pledge, the term of the pledge is over,
Hmm.
this you said that they'll ask for confirmation from the Standard Chartered Bank again. So is it valid? Like, in the agreement, we have written a specific term for the pledge.
Correct.
And then they're again asking the consent from the Standard Chartered Bank.
Correct.
And if
This-
they
this-
refuse,
This agreement is between the Standard Chartered Bank and the Vedanta. Okay. This agreement will not be deposited with depository participant. ये हम दिखाएंगे ही नहीं उसको.
so sir, if they refuse to give the consent, then there's a dispute. You
अरे
mean
they
then
will
they'll
not.
go in-
They will not.
right?
उनको
So then,
loan देना है.
so company and Standard Chartered Bank has to solve their issue.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Yes. Any doubt to anyone now? Rajvi? No. If still have the doubt, beta, you may ask because this concept is most important. Nowadays, every company will ask, अगर आप ये लिखोगे तो कि sir, I know the share pledge agreement. जो भी कुछ भी लिखो CV में, आपको उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. Yes, Akankrita, you were saying something.
यस सर
हाँ
सो
जी,
जैसे
बोलो.
दोनों के बीच में अगर एग्रीमेंट हो गया है एंड दे बोथ हैव एक्सेप्टेड द टर्म्स कि ऐसे होगा एंड कैन दे रिजेक्ट दैट फॉर्म दैट हैव बीन गिवन लाइक जैसे जो स्टैंडर्ड बैंक का जो डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट है वो स्टैंडर्ड बैंक से पूछा दैट वुड यू लाइक टू एक्सेप्ट और रिजेक्ट तो कैन दे रिजेक्ट क्योंकि एग्रीमेंट में तो
See, if they reject, a suit will be initiated. Yes or no?
यस क्योंकि डिस्प्यूट हो
They,
जाएगा
but they will not reject. They will not reject. Why they will reject? सोच के देखो 500 करोड़ का लोन है, बच्चे थोड़ी है कि they will reject. Yes.
यस सर यस
उल्टा पता है क्या? When we are executing this pledge request form, Standard Chartered Bank called me 10 times, more than 10 times. कि सर हो गया क्या? हम लोन डिसबर्स करते हैं, जल्दी बताओ. That's the process. समझो?
यस सर ठीक है सर
ठीक है?
थैंक यू यस सर
Rajvi is saying, if the application is being, then can we apply it again? I didn't get Rajvi. Could you please repeat the question? आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकते हो. Not audible, Rajvi. Yes. You may write again in the chat book, Rajvi. Sir, can you please explain the process in the case of physical shares in brief? Archana, Shaitan. Beta, if the shares are in the physical form, आप directly share certificate transfer कर दोगे in the possession of the Standard Chartered Bank. And you will take the consent कि sir, they have received the share certificate with respect to the pledge. Yes, Archana.
Okay, sir. So then in that case, the agreement will be very
Very important in that
direct.
case. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Is any doubt now to anyone? पूछ लो बेटा, important है बहुत. Today class is very interesting. Thank you so much, Pritika. यही तो बात है बेटा. टेम्पलेट से गुजारा आजकल है क्या? You won't believe this contract drafting skill is most important nowadays if you want to join a corporate as the in-house counsel. Although this time is tough, but have patience, have knowledge of all the connected laws. Templates padhna band kar do. No relevant. There is no relevance in these templates. Have the thorough analysis of the terms that we are teaching in this classes. आप ये सारी चीजें बात करोगे ना इंटरव्यूअर से कि सर आई नो द प्रोसेस, लेट मी टेल यू दिस कि कैसे कैसे होता है, यू विल ग्लैड कि सर मुझे पता था, इंटरव्यूअर ने यही पूछा. दैट विल बी अ वेरी गुड सिचुएशन फॉर एवरीवन, बिकॉज ये सीएस को भी नहीं पता सर. There is every possibility that they can ask terms of agreement in interview. Yes, they will ask. बताओ तो सर डीपी होता कौन है? They will ask, and in that case, जिसने template से पढ़ा होगा, they will not able to answer. They just want कि सर यहाँ पर edit करना है, यहाँ पर edit करना है. अरे पढ़ तो ले बेटा. You got the point? हाँ जी मुस्कान.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Thank you so much, everyone. If you still have the doubt, you may ask. I will share the draft of the share pledge agreement with you. I request you everyone to please go ahead with the same again. Read all the terms in the thorough manner and revise the lecture again. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. But let me check this chat once again. There
So,
is
one
yes,
question.
yes,
Like
yes.
many companies in despite having a legal team, like in-house legal team, still they approach law firms for drafting such complex agreements.
Yes, it happens.
Yeah.
It happens. वो पता है क्या होता है, इन हाउस जो होते हैं ना, they will not take the risk. क्योंकि मैं बेटा मैं भी उस टाइम पे न्यू था. मैं कैसे कहता हूँ, let me draft this. Okay. But yes,
Okay.
अगर आपको आता है सब कुछ तो धीरे धीरे मैनेजमेंट विल गिव यू द वर्क. बिकॉज उसके बाद तो मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, सैम वाले भी परेशान हो गए थे कि सर ये हमारे फीस काटने लग गए. समझ रहे हो? So if you show something to the company will give you the hike. But उस टाइम तो मैं भी न्यू था, मैं कैसे कहता हूँ, let me draft this share pledge agreement.
Right.
cannot.
Right. हाँ.
Understand? Okay. Yes, let me see the chat box. एक doubt आया है बच्चे का, मुहीब. So sir, along with PRF form, we have to take board resolution as well as to DP. Very nice. Yes, बेटा, आपको board resolution देना पड़ेगा. मुहीब. Okay. Thank you so much. Please take care. Stay safe. Keep writing. Keep studying. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.